Short update from our new Airbnb. So today we are cleaning up. So it will look something like this when we are done today. Right now it looks like this. So we have quite a lot of boxes we need to take off. We need to clean the table. We put up the Samsung frame TV. We have a lot of mess here. We have some Temu packages that we received and that we're going to see if we can do. Then we are, since last video, we put some plants here, self-watering plants, and we did something here, and then today we're just cleaning up and making it look a little bit nicer. So and then we were thinking, should we put this TV here or not? We kind of came to the conclusion that we're not going to put this TV here, so we're going to take that away and put it in another Airbnb. And out here in the bathroom, it's almost done. So we got the new glass wall up, shower is up, mirror is up, sink is up. So it just needs a little bit of cleaning, then it's done. But I'll see you later when we are finished with today's work with cleaning up a little bit. A little bit later in the day, we didn't finish everything we wanted, but it's starting to look like something, right? What do you think? Write it in the comments below. So what we've done today is that we've cleaned up a little bit, and then we moved the TV box from the TV over here. What do you think about the TV? Write it in the comments. Then we have a Temu flower here. And we cleaned up the kitchen a little bit. That's the wife, Sean. So, I forgot. I'm Palle, by the way. Subscribe to the channel. Anyways, so here we have this countertop. So the wife was like, we should put a countertop on the countertop because this surface sucks. But I think we just need to find some epoxy and then just, give it a treatment like that. Then we have put a Temu vase here with some Temu flowers and some wall art. And then we put a Mocha Master. Usually guests can't really use it, so I'll change that eventually. Some more wall art here. Salt and pepper, blah, blah, blah. And then we started putting this here. So what do you think? And then we put these up from Temu too. I think they're okay. If you are on a budget and you want to put some art on the walls, then these are good. But I do like this plates more inside here. Not really much has happened except we removed the small TV from here because it was not necessary. We're going to put it in another Airbnb. And then we tried the Temu stuff. It's because we're trying to see if you can find anything that's useful on Temu to use in an Airbnb. So there will be another video with that. And we're missing a small table for here, so it will come tomorrow, I think. Then the plant is going on top of that. Then we have the bathroom, so I changed the light bulbs. So now, before it was dark, now there's light. Yeah, we didn't really do anything to this one except changing the faucet thing. And then the bathroom, yeah, we renovated most of it, so there's like a new bath thing there. And then today we put the trash can and the very tiny toilet brush, and there's a new toilet here, yeah, and the new shower thing here. So I think tomorrow we just need to paint the top part and here, and then put some wallpaper where it's missing at the bottom, so we can get some pictures and get this up and running. So that's a small update. I'll end the video with the like walkthrough thing as usual, as we did when we started the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.